prep Sunday, guys. I'm so glad I finished everything. I promise I will make more videos of me actually cooking it because people get a little upset when I just show you what I'm eating. But also, it's kind of annoying when people say, hey, you're vegan. What do you eat during the week? When I could just send them a link and say, hey, that's what I meal prep for the week. So here we are. I really wanted to make apple cider vinegar tea this week, but I feel like I'm overdoing it with my liquids, and it's a lot of mason jars. I already have 15. I was like, I don't want to go 20 with the apple cider vinegar. So this week I made watermelon, strawberry, ginger, and honey juice. This is liquid chlorophyll with water. And then this is powdered magnesium, and I'll just add warm water each day for that. And then we have oatmeal for breakfast. 2 of them is blueberries, oatmeal, sugar, and cinnamon. And then the other 3 is raisins, walnuts, oatmeal, sugar, and cinnamon. And then for lunch this week, I cooked down some jackfruit, and I sauteed onions and put, I believe it's, let me see what kind of barbecue sauce that was. Okay, it was just original barbecue sauce. And then I have rolls to put them on each day for lunch. And then my apple slices for my snack for lunch. And then dinner this week, I made rice, lentils, and then this is the Asian medley. So some days it'll just be rice and the Asian medley with some like soy sauce, and then some days I'll do like my own play on like a lentil soup. So I'll add the lentils with the white rice. And what else am I forgetting? Oh, I made rice milk this week. That's why my rice is white, because I didn't want to make 2 batches, like one with season and one that's not for the milk. And that's about everything. See you guys next Sunday.